One of the landmarks in the history of TOTVS was its IPO in 2006. How has the company performed since then?
We had our IPO in March 2006. Since then, we've been having a very good performance in terms of operational performance, and this has been reflected in terms of the price of our shares. So according to Economatica research company, a Brazilian company, we ended the decade as the best IPO in terms of return to the investor. So it has been great. We beat the Ibovespa by 3 times.
TOTVS has a history of consistent organic growth. How has the growth progressed outside Brazil?
When we see the corporation as a whole, we've been growing like 15 to 25% per year in the last 8 years. Outside Brazil, we've been growing faster than in Brazil. So we've been growing a circle of 50 to 80% in some countries. Point is that Brazil remains represented for us 95% of our market. So that's why we are more linked to this around 15 to 25% growth per year.
A big part of the growth story has been increasing market share. Where has that been concentrated?
Look, the focus of TOTVS, 80% of our sales are to what we call small and medium companies. Companies with sales up to $2 billion. So having this said, in this specific market, we have 68% of market share according to IDC. Despite of being an underpenetrated market, we have this very strong leadership in small and medium companies. And when you see the whole pyramid, micro, small, medium, and high-end companies, we have over almost 50% of market share. And give you the size of the importance of small and medium companies, not only in Brazil, but also in Latin America. In Latin America, we have the leadership in the whole pyramid, and with our very core aspect in terms of small and medium companies.
What were the financial highlights in the last year?
Last year, just to give an example, we ended the last quarter with the 20th quarter in a row of double-digit organic growth in terms of sales. So it's a fantastic achievement. We ended the year with almost 15% of growth in terms of sales. We beat the record in terms of net revenues, EBITDA, and net income. So it was the best year in terms of our history. Just last year, we added 2,840 new clients to TOTVS, and nowadays we have we serve more than 26,800 clients.
Looking ahead, where do you see the growth in the future in Brazil and beyond?
Well, within Brazil, we have a very underpenetrated market, especially in small and medium companies. So we see a lot of growth coming from the small and medium companies. We're in Brazil. We also have verticals, in some specific verticals like agriculture, education, and health. And when we see the Latin America and the other emerging markets, the penetration of the small and medium companies in terms of management software remains very low. So this brings to us a tremendous opportunity.
And finally, corporate governance is more important than ever. What's the approach here at TOTVS?
Well, at the end of the day, what we sell is longevity. We sell the longevity to our clients that they are going to be better with our products. And also, as a software provider, a software producer, we sell our own longevity. So corporate governance for us, it's a mandatory thing because it helps our longevity. So just to give you an idea, 80% of our board members are external and independent board members. We were very proud that last year we won from World Finance the prize of the best corporate governance in Brazil. And we take it very serious, again, because at the end of the day, what we sell is longevity.
José Rogério Luiz, thank you.
Thank you very much.